Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to add cinematic black bars in CapCut. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. At first, we will open any web browser on our device. I'm on my iPhone, so I'll open Safari, but you can open anything you want. Now in Google, we have to type black bars PNG. When you type this, you want to open the images section since we want to download a transparent image. I'm going to select this, and you need to make sure that you have the black bars that have these little squares over it. That means that the image is a transparent image and we can use it on our video. When you save the image to your gallery, then you want to go over to CapCut. Make sure you import your video now in order to add the cinematic black bars. You want to click on this overlay button. Then add overlay, and this will open our photo gallery. Or we can select the black bars we've just downloaded. When you add the bars, just zoom in a little bit and make sure that they fit the frame perfectly. Align the top and bottom bars. Then select the part of the video where you want the black bars to start and finish. I'm going to put these bars over my whole video since I want everything to look cinematic, and that's essentially it. That is how you can add cinematic black bars to your videos. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.